remember the exact moment. I was on the phone with my mother, and she was trying to counsel me through this thing. She said, Amanda, God has a plan. And I was so mad at her for that. I was like, what about my plan? You know, I had planned to have a family with a husband. Wasn't my plans good enough for God? Apparently not. I hate thinking thoughts like that though, but it comes with age. When you're a kid, you don't question the whole faith thing. No. God's in heaven and she's got her eye on you. I would give anything to feel that way